Hey everybody, this is Lynn from A Bit of Birdsong. Jason and I had a wonderful walk on the Eno, and I am back in the workshop now. It's Wednesday, right?
It is.
It's Wednesday morning, and Jason and I just arrived at the Eno. Fuse Ford, right?
Fuse Ford.
Fuse Ford. We're gonna walk. Come look at this rock. It has a heart on the top of it. Look. Do you see that?
Yeah, somebody carved it.
No, look.
Yeah, somebody carved it.
Do you really think so?
I do think so.
Did you do it?
No.
There aren't many people out, and there aren't many leaves on the trees, but it's really nice to hear the water. It got so much louder as we got here closer to the water, where it's kind of a little rapids, I guess. Better catch up with Jason. Wow, I was recently talking about new paint colors. Look at the color on these rocks. It's like this amazing chartreuse. Jason and I were just talking about the fact that spring is really not far away. I miss the leaves. It's still really pretty out here though. This is sort of eerie, this long tree just laying in the water. The water here must be deeper or deep. It's a lot slower. And then of course down there it speeds up again. Jason spotted 2 turtles. There's 2 more. I have today's deep question as we walk along.
Do I look like someone who is capable of answering a deep question, if not a basic question?
You look like you could, but I live with you. Oh, he's very smart. So come on, let's walk, and I'll ask you the question. Do you think of turtles as being really strong creatures or just slow and weak?
Extremely strong. Because, well, first of all, just like with snapping turtles or in their jaws, their bite is very powerful. The second reason would be their protective armor, the encasing that they have, which is extremely durable.
And beautiful.
And beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
And then
Jason and I talked quite a bit. We talked on and on about the subject a little longer. We've reached this beautiful spot Jason wanted me to see. He's out there climbing on the rocks. We just came around this big rock. It's very, very huge. The water's behind me. You can see how the rock goes up there. And Jason is heading over there towards another really large rock. I think the rocks are pretty. There's greenbrier growing next to this rock. The leaves on that are edible. They're young and tender. They get tough as they get older. But it is a wild edible. Oh, wow, look at this rock. So let's just walk right up. Oh my goodness. And that's the view behind us. We were just noticing the bark on this tree, and actually I noticed another little heart shape while we were out today. But Jason was pointing out how this tree had to grow. It's like just practically bonded with this rock. And look how the root runs around. There's so many lessons out here. We have to grow like this as well. Sometimes we have to grow around really hard things, really hard situations, and we have to learn how to survive like this tree did. I'm in my playhouse, and I'm surrounded by my thicket of greenbrier, so you can't get to me.
You haven't paid your water bill or your electricity, so we'll see how long that lasts.
Well, this is impenetrable. I have seen my first butterfly of the year. It is in the 60s today. I think this butterfly might have just emerged. We spotted more turtles sitting in the sun and swimming in the water. We had a wonderful walk today. Sometimes I really am hesitant to leave the house because I have so much to do, but it is always worth it to get out in nature and to get inspired. Jason and I talked about so many things, including the purpose of the tiniest of creatures and the tiniest particles of sand. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.